Hello, folks. Welcome to KT Skill. So we are providing professional training on several courses. My name is Abhishek Kumar, and I will take you through for next few minutes about the introduction of C++ and C++ course overview that we are providing in KT Skill. Please do visit our website KT Skill page and check out the other courses if you want. So now start with the introduction of the C++, like why we need to learn C++ and what is the significance of learning the C++. So basically, C++ is used for developing all the application which are very close to the system, and C++ is having very less complex semantics, so it's very easy to pick up. And this is the most simplified object-oriented language in recent days, and one of the also the oldest language by bizarreness to stroke. So basically, we wanted to take you through for the next few minutes what all the things we are providing as in C++ course. So who can learn this C++ course? Anybody from the college background to the professional who is seeking a job in the IT industry in the embedded background or in the application development background or in the UI or gaming development background. Anybody can learn this one. Even the intermediate professionals who wants to sharp their skills on C++, they can also take this course, because in this course we are not just only explaining the theory, but also we are taking the practical aspects of the C++. So we will be explaining object-oriented concepts inside C++, like classes, objects, inheritance, polymorphism, and other things like UML-related stuffs. So it will be a very interactive course, and it is going to be turned out a very useful course. And why we should prefer this course over other programming languages, why C++ is more preferred. So I would comment over here that since C++ is very less complex, and as I said earlier, it's easy to pick up, and though it is very less complex, but it is very impactful and powerful language, because here we are supporting multiple libraries and all. Okay. Who all are using this C++ course? So basically, C++ actually is playing very integral role in modern times for developing the applications contemporary systems such as operating systems, web browsing, gaming, databases, and other things. So C++ having the most beautiful aspect of the C++ is that it is very less critical. Performance is wise. It is very useful, because its performance is very good. And apart from that, security is also one of the aspects of the security in the case of C++ is again very good. So that's why C++ is still preferred in the industry. So where all C++ has spreaded is um, like C++ is in the operating system development. As you can see that Windows, Linux, and Android, iOS, everybody is using C++. And C++ is embedded system from your smartwatch to your car's dashboard, from car dashboard, avionics dashboard, or in satellites, a small equipment, or from big distributed systems in factories and all, in industrial automation. Everywhere C++ is being used for the embedded systems, and not only into the industry, but also into the medical equipments, data statistics development. So there's many fields where C++ is being used for the application development. And again, C++ has a large community where people are contributing. Because of that, we have abundant of library support in C++ like STL, Boost, curl. So there are many library out there already available. So list is going to be very long. If I go to explain it, it will be like taking too much time. Okay, so what is uh, in this course we are providing in KT skill. So the course duration in KT skill for C++ is 3 hours, 30 hours, pardon. So it is 30 hours. And here we will be taking you through the basic C++ concepts like pointers, functions, data types, object-oriented features, object-oriented features like inheritance, polymorphism, data encapsulation, data abstraction, all those things will be explained. Not only that, but also we'll be explaining you some advanced concepts like exception handlings, STL, and templates. So basically, we'll be trying to cover up from the basic C++ concept to the higher level or mid-higher level concepts in this course. What all the prerequisite for this course? There's nothing as such any prerequisite. You should have just basic basic programming fundamentals. Apart from that, nothing is needed. What is the development environment needed for this course? Again, we don't need any expensive development environment or anything. So there are abundant of C++ online compilers are available. So there we can those ID we can use and develop our C++ programs, and we can learn and practice C++. Apart from that, what we offer in KT skill is that we can uh, for job aspirants, we are providing the mock interviews preparation. So we will be providing all the C++ related question answers and programming practices which are in general asked in the industry. So this course is basically an industry driven course where the student can meet their job requirement in the industry. Highlights for the C++. C++ is a very old language. It has been picking up since 1979, and till date it is very popular. So the popularity is like you can understand that throughout the world, almost 4.4 million developers are there, and basically in India, we are having for if somebody is starting job in India in C++ domain, you will be getting jobs around offering around 7 to 8 lakhs per annum. And if you're starting in US or in Europe, it will be around 70 to 80 thousand dollar per annum minimum, that is there. So that is the highlight of the C++. Why how popular it is in the industry. Apart from that, as I said, there's no ID or anything you required, only just little computer fundamental. If you have is having, then you can start with this course. And there's no as such any certification or anything is needed in C++.